Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and for those new here, hi, my name's Alani. I see I got some new subscribers and I am so excited because I finally made it to over 400 subscribers. So thank you so much for subscribing, and for my OGs, thank you for continuing to watch. Today's DIY is a thankful tree, and I feel like poor Thanksgiving gets overlooked every year because I really love Halloween and a lot of people really love Christmas, but poor Thanksgiving doesn't get enough love. So I decided to make this thankful tree, and I ordered a white tree, and I just felt like the vibe wasn't giving me Thanksgiving. It was giving me like winter wonderland, and I really wanted to make it darker. So I just used some brown paints and I mixed in a little bit of black to make it a bit darker, and I just put it all over the tree except the part where the lights are. Painting the tree is completely optional. You can go for a lighter stain if you want, or you could even just order a brown or a black tree. I didn't find a brown one that I liked, so I just painted this white one brown, and I love the way it contrasts against the metallic maple leaves. You can paint these maple leaves any color you want. You can go the traditional route doing reds, oranges, and yellows. I found these beautiful metallics and thought they were absolutely gorgeous and decided to go with these. The pink one is kind of like a rose gold pink, and then there's the gold and the copper. Originally, I was going to use glitter, or if you didn't want paint at all, you could just do chalk paint on both sides. I just really like the way these turned out, so I chose these 3 different colors. To paint the leaves, I wanted to give them some texture, and since this paint was a thicker consistency, I was able to give the leaves more of a veiny look, kind of like a real leaf. And to make this effect, all I did was brush out the paint from the middle all the way out to the outer edges on both sides. To paint with the chalk paint, you just had to paint like you'd paint any flat surface, and you could do a couple coats. Mine was just good with just 1 coat. I also painted my gold and copper leaves with the exact same technique I did with the rose gold one, kind of starting at the middle and then pushing outwards, giving that veining effect, and I just really love the way it looked, especially after it dried. This copper color is my absolute favorite color of all 3 of them. It looks so beautiful and it just says fall to me. So let me know in the comments which color is your guys' favorite. After both sides had dried, it was time to add on my twine. I was going to use fishing line, but I think the twine that came with the maple leaves looked a little bit better. It was more rustic fall looking to me, so I decided to use that instead. And all I did was push that through the hole that was already cut into the maple leaves and then just double knotted it on the end. And the last step was just to cut off that excess twine. Here's all of my leaves all done. They look absolutely gorgeous, and the other side looked very beautiful as well. And then it was time to write what I was thankful for on them in chalk. I had about 18 leaves total, but I still had a bunch more if I wanted to add more. I just thought 18 was a good amount. Here I'm writing just about everything that I'm thankful for, but when you do this as a family, each person would have their own chalk and a few of their own leaves. I just wanted to show you guys some examples, so this is what I'm thankful for, and I had to use up all 18 of the leaves because I didn't want to leave any plain, but thank you so much to my family, my friends, my husband, everyone, and especially my subscribers. Thank you so much, guys. Here's the tree all painted and done. Side note, when I ordered this, I did not know it lit up, so I was super excited when I found out that it lit up. This DIY was very quick, very easy, but super meaningful, and I just love the way it turned out, and I had a lot of fun making it, and it just really made me think about all the people and the things in my life that I'm grateful for and all the blessings that I have, and I truly am grateful for everything, and I try not to take too many of these things for granted, but that's my dog in the background because I'm doing a voiceover. He's right next to me. But yes, I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and if you guys do remake this, please tag me at DIYs with Alani DLC, and I will see you guys next time. Happy Thanksgiving. If you've made it to the end of this video, please let me know by putting down in the comments below what you're most thankful for this year. I'm so thankful for all of you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's DIY, and I will see you guys next time with a Christmas DIY. Bye, everyone.